Welcome back, everybody. So we'll continue with our set of data puzzle that we started discussing in the previous video. And our first question has already been discussed with you. I'll be discussing question number 2 and 3, and this is the main structure of the question. This table is now telling us everything that has been written on over here, and we have put all the information in the tabular format. Now, all I wanted to teach you through this set was this, that you don't have to make all the possible cases to answer the question. I have never seen a set in the CAT exam where to solve a one particular question you have to make all the possible cases. There is always some hint in the question itself which help you in avoiding making all the cases. I also used to solve the set to this particular set by putting in all the possible values, which takes a lot of time. If I start putting all the possible values here, there will be minimum 3 cases that I need to make. And to make these 3 cases and then to answer those questions accordingly, I'll have to look in every table. It will take a lot of time. And you see that the question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, if you have tried, which I asked you to try in the previous video, you'll see that the way I will discuss the set, the way I'll solve this question, you see that we'll not have to make all the possible cases, and I'll be solving the question in lesser time as compared to what that you might have taken if you made all the 6 cases. Now, let's straight away go to the question number 2. What do we have here? Which of the following combination is not possible? Now, the moment a student will read this question, what will he do? He will try to find out all the possible cases, because the question is asking you which of the following combination is not possible. Instead of trying the question with the option, right? The question that we are supposed to answer is that which of this following combination is not possible. So let's start putting in the values from the option itself instead of making all the possible cases in the directions paragraph. So we'll not make all the cases. Instead, we'll see that which of the following cases is not possible by assuming that, let's say, if I go with this option which says two experts in population study from the American and 2 health experts from America attended the conference. Let's see, is it possible? 2 experts in population study from America and 2 health from Africa. Okay, look at this table. 2 experts from population study from America and 2 from health in Africa. Is it a possible option, Bacho? Yes, we have a value of 6 over here. If I put a value of 2 here, 2 plus 3, 1 plus 1, 4, and then I'll put 2 here. This is 6. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 3 will be 8. And I need to put the complete 4 values, so I'll put 1 here, put 1 here. So total is coming 6, total is coming 6. This is total coming as 4. Is it a possible option? Yes, it's a possible option. Now, to eliminate option 1, do I need to make all the cases? No, I don't need to make all the cases. I will straight away use the information from the question itself, right? So now I'm removing this information, right? So I have checked the first option is possible. What I'm supposed to answer? The option which is not possible. So what I'll do? I'll eliminate that option 1 is not the answer, because this is an option. This is a possible option. I'm supposed to find out not possible option. Let's go with the next part. 2 expert in population study from the America. Okay, 2 from population study from America and 1 health experts from Africa. Okay. So question says, if I take 2 here and 1 here, is it a possible option? Let's check. The total here is 6. So this value will be 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2 will be 8. Okay, 2 plus 1 plus 3. Total need to be 6. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. The remaining will be 2. 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. The total need to be 6. Total is coming out to be 4. Is it a possible option? Yes, it is a possible option, right? That means second option is also not the answer. Now here on this screen, I need to move, back and forth. That's why it's taking a lot of time. But when you will be solving it with the question in front of you on the screen and with a pen and paper in front of you on the table, I guess you'll not take much time to answer it. It's not complex figure to answer. Now so this second option can also be eliminated. Second option is not the answer of the question. Okay. Now let's look at the question number 3. Option number 3. 3 expert in refugee relocation from the America and 1 health experts from Africa. 3 RR America and 1 health expert from Africa. Okay, let's go back to the option. 1 health expert from the Africa and 3 refugee relocation from America. Is it a possible option? Let's check. 3 plus 1 plus 4. The remaining value will be 2. 2 plus 1. This will be 1. 2 plus 1 plus 3. This will be 3. And you see 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. The remaining will be 3. Okay. No, sorry. 3 is coming over here. So 3 plus 2, 5. No, this is coming out to be 6. So this value will be 1. Right. So I missed this value. Let me do this again. So the question was saying 3 refugee relocation from America and 1 health experts from Africa. So you see that if this is 3, this has to be 1. Then this has to be 2. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Then this has to be 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. This has to be 3. Total need to be 6. And this is coming out to be 8. Is any condition getting disturbed in the third option? No. That means third is also possible. So what is my answer then? I can straight away say the answer will be option number 4. Now also let's cross check it why it is the answer. Okay. Question says Africa and America each had 1 expert in population study attending the conference. Africa and America each had 1 expert in population study attending the conference. Now why this is not possible, let's also get to know the reason so that your picture get clear completely, right? So question says 1 from Africa and 1 from America in the refugee relocation. Now if you take this value as 1, you see that the total value is over 8 here and 1 is coming here, 1 is coming here. So I'm left with 6 more experts to fill in these 2 cells. And I know that a value in a one particular cell cannot be more than 3 because it's mentioned that none of the continents sent more than 3 experts. Not more than 3 are possible. That means I need to place 3 expert over here and a value of 3 here so that total comes out to be 8. Now the moment I place 3 here, 3 plus 2 plus 1 will be 6. So 0 will be coming over here. And 0 cannot come over here because other than this cell, there is no other, it's not possible to put a value of 0 in any other cell. We were specifically mentioned that Africa did not send any labor expert. Otherwise, every continent, including Africa, sent at least 1 expert from each category. So therefore, no other cell can have a value of 0. So here in this case, if I go with the option number 4 of question number 2, if I put 3 here, 1 here, then I need to put 3 here, 3 here, and then in that case, I need to put 0 here, which is not possible, and this will make our question wrong. Right? This will violate the condition number B. So therefore, you cannot go with the 4th option. So therefore, answer to the question will be option 4. Right? So the answer to the question will be option 4. Which of the following combination is not possible? Option 4. You see that I don't have to make the cases to answer the question, right? I have seen a lot of books, right, where the answer of this one particular set, because your CAT original set, they are making cases to answer it, right? Now, making cases is not easy in the exam under the time pressure. You are bound to make some small errors, and it also consumes. Secondly, it also consumes a lot of time if you try to make all the cases, right? Whatever level of difficulty that you are solving in the final CAT exam, please keep this in mind that if there is a set of multiple cases, don't make it without reading the questions, right? Examiner is definitely not going to ask the questions where you'll have to make all the possible cases, right? The structure of the question will be different, right? Or there will be some information given in the question itself. I have discussed the same type of set of CAT 2018 also. This is called as a pump set, where in the solutions a lot of cases are made, but again that set can also be solved without making any cases, right? So the data puzzles or whatever kind of puzzles you are solving which involves a lot of multiple cases, do not make all those cases. Use the questions information, use the structure of the question to answer it without making the cases, because that will help you in saving a lot of time in the exam. And you don't have more than 10 to 12 minutes to solve one particular set. If you're spending 20 minutes on one set, you're never going to get 99 plus percentile, because to get 99 plus percentile, the speed at which you need to solve one set is maximum of 12 minutes. You cannot afford to spend more than 12 minutes in one particular set, right? I would say you need to solve one set in 10 minutes. But yes, if set is a bit complex, then you can spend at max 12 minutes, not more than that. Easy set should be solved in 6 to 7 minutes. Okay. So I still have 2 more questions to discuss, and I again want you to try the question number 3 and question number 4, which I have shown you in the first part of the video also. See, try this. Do I need to make all the cases to answer this question, or this can also be solved with the help of the question information and the options information, right? Question number 3 and question number 4 on the screen. Please try this. I'll be discussing the solution in the next part of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And you know my referral code for Unacademy Plus subscription. My referral code is LRDI Samir. If you use it, you'll get 10% off on Unacademy Plus subscription, and also you'll be able to attend all of my live sessions on Unacademy Plus. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, and also click on the notification to get all updates about my videos. Thank you.